Hello everyone, I'm 𝗃𝗏𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃, this is 𝗲𝗵𝗀𝗀 and this is 𝗃𝗵𝗀𝗃. They will be assisting me while I dissect an eye for a biology practical. To start off, I'll cut off the protein parts which are around the eye. At the back, this little bump is the optic nerve. It's where the receptor cells send signals to the brain. So we've removed most of the protein around the eye. So I'll be cutting it vertically up the eye. And before I cut it, I'd like to show you the rods, no, not the rods, the radial and circular muscles which are around the pupil. The first layer of the eye is called the conjunctiva, and the radial and circular muscles around the pupil are used for accommodation, adjusting the vision for near and distant objects. I'll be cutting the eye from the side. The sclera is firmer than you picture. Oh God, I think I cut.
No, it's okay, just cut.
And here it is.
𝗃𝗏𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃.
Alright.
So we just start this one.
Just look at this.
The jelly-like substance on this dish is the aqueous humor. It magnifies the image that enters the eye. So I'll be demonstrating it by putting it on top of text. As you can see, the aqueous humor magnifies the words on the book.
So these are the rods and cones that are on the retina, which is at the back of our eye. So essentially what the rods and cones do is that they allow us to see either in dim light with no color or in very bright light with colors. So the purpose of the cones is to ensure that we see all colors that are sensitive to 3 different types of colors: red, green, and blue. So the cones enable us to see colors, but only in bright light. As for the rods, their purpose is to ensure that we see in dim light. However, we're only able to see in black and white.
That's the end of our practical.
Thank you for listening.